In this video we're going to have a look at some univariate data and how to calculate the summary statistics for this. We'll probably have a look at this two ways. Okay, the first way is if you want to find out your information, to put it into a single cell. Let's say we want the mean, so we put mean equals there, we can do that, and then go equals, and then type average. Okay, open bracket, highlight the cell that you want to calculate the average of, and then press, close the bracket and then press enter. And the mean is calculated for you. Median, we go equals, median, and then highlight again the cells that you want, and press enter. Okay, mode. Now there's a couple of different ways to do mode. Now, if you are certain that there is only one mode, you can press equals mode. Okay, open bracket, highlight all the cells, close bracket, and it will return the lowest mode possible. Okay, now if you have more, if you don't know if there's certainly one mode, or you know there is for certain more than one mode, you can use mode.mult, open your brackets. Now you need to be a bit tricky here. Okay, you need to enter this first number here, highlight all of your information, close your brackets, and then hold Control, Shift, press enter. And notice the brackets that come around the side of that equation. Well, that will tell you, that tells you that you've entered it into a program where it will enter multiple modes. For example, if we have a look at these numbers, so 52, 52, 52, let's go 53, 54. Okay, so we want to find out the mode of these numbers. We can go mode equals. Now we're unsure if there is more than only the one mode, so we use mode mult. Open it, highlight our numbers, close the bracket, and then Control Shift, hold Control and Shift down and press enter. And I'm not sure why that hasn't worked. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So it's equal mode.mult. Sorry, I still haven't done what I need to do, which is highlight these cells here. Now type equals mode.mult. Highlight all the numbers. Okay, close the brackets. Now press Control Shift Enter. And you can see the two modes are given there. Okay, one other way that you can do this is go to Data. Now if you have a look on the right hand side here, if you have data analysis, you can do this. If data analysis isn't there, you need to find out how to get data analysis there. Basically do a Google on data analysis tool pack. Okay, so I'm going to press data analysis, and you want descriptive statistics. Press OK, and you can see it's reading from cells different to where we want it to read. So we'll get it to read from the correct cells. There we go. We're going to get it to read into E14. We'll make it. So I'll make it E14. We want it on output range there. And we want to make sure summary statistics is checked, and press OK. Now, if we just make that wider, then there's our mean, median and mode, obviously. Okay, our standard deviation, and up here our standard error, and minimum, maximum, and the count of the numbers. Now, depending on what grade you're in, you will need to be able to use different ones of these summary statistics. Grade 8, 9 and 10 will use mean, median, mode, and then we'll use maximum and minimum to get range. Oh, there's range there. Okay, and then in grade 11, possibly grade 10, you'll use standard deviation and standard error. Okay, thanks for listening.